Today we're going to show you how to properly use canned fuel that you can use in some of our banqueting cabinets. Let's go over some safety tips to use with canned fuel. First, we're going to cover what not to do. Do not hold canned fuel while lighting it. Do not light your canned fuel near flammable materials. Do not use canned fuel to open other cans. Do not use burning paper to light canned fuel. The only safe way to light canned fuel is with a long-necked or butane lighter. Another note here is to always have your canned fuel in the compartment before lighting it. Never grab a lit can, as they can be very hot and you can burn yourself. One of the key advantages of an FWE banqueting cabinet is that the drawers for the canned fuel are located inside the unit behind the door. When compared to competitors, like this banqueting cabinet, canned fuel is not secured and could easily start a fire. The door vents on the front of FWE cabinets help direct the natural flow of the exhaust gases. Be sure the top door vents are open to create a natural flue for the gases to rise in the cabinet and escape. The lower vents give canned fuel more access to additional oxygen and can be adjusted to control the burn rate of your canned fuel. Be sure to reserve your canned fuel lids as a safe means to extinguish the fire when necessary. This is most easily and safely done with a pair of tongs, cutting off the oxygen to the fuel. The tongs are then also helpful to remove the cans, as they may be still too hot to handle. Have any questions about the types of canned fuel that can be used in our cabinets? Give us a call today